Hello and welcome to Just Crafting It Up. Today I will teach you how to make a cupcake duck soap. What you will need is a cupcake tin, cupcake liner, 3 cubes of soap, 1 rubber duck, You will also need a microwave-safe container. I like to use a liquid measuring cup because it's easy to pour once the soap is melted. To start, grab your cupcake tin and add your cupcake liner into it. Now you are ready to make your soap. Set that aside and grab your liquid measuring cup and 1 soap cube. Microwave it for 30 seconds while watching to make sure it doesn't bubble over. Grab your spoon and stir the melted soap to make sure there are no clumps left. If there are clumps, microwave it for another 5 seconds. If there aren't, you can pour it into your cupcake liner. Now let the soap harden in a cold place for about an hour. Once it has hardened, we can make the second layer on top of it. Grab your 2 cubes of soap and microwave it for 30 seconds. Once it comes out of the microwave, you can add your coloring. Make sure to use soap coloring and not food coloring. Pour half of the soap into the cupcake liner. Then add your duck. Carefully pour the remaining soap around the duck, trying not to get it onto the duck. You may not need to use all of the soap in the cup, so be careful while you pour. After letting it harden overnight, you can remove the liner. Carefully peel away at the edges before removing the liner completely. Here is your finished duck soap. I hope you enjoyed making it.